Today we're gonna see a T-Mobile Internet review. T-Mobile Internet has made a strong push into the home internet market, offering an alternative to traditional broadband providers with its 5G and LTE-powered plans. T-Mobile's home internet service delivers varying speeds depending on your location and the network's availability. In ideal conditions, you can expect speeds ranging from 33 megabytes to 182 megabytes, which is suitable for typical household activities like streaming, browsing, and gaming in urban areas with strong 5G coverage. T-Mobile Internet is generally reliable, especially in areas with strong 5G signal. However, performance can vary depending on network congestion and the proximity of 5G towers. During peak hours, some users report slower speeds, especially in densely populated areas. When it comes to setup, T-Mobile's internet service is easy to set up. After ordering, you'll receive a home internet gateway that you can plug in. T-Mobile promises a simple self-installation process, and most users can get up and running in under 15 minutes without need for professional installation. However, signal strength depends on your home's location, so you might need to adjust the placement of the router for optimal performance. They offer straightforward pricing with just one plan, unlimited data at a fee-out rate of $50 per month for exiting T-Mobile customers and $55 per month for others. T-Mobile generally has a good reputation for customer service. You can reach support via phone, online chat, or social media. While it is a good service, speeds can perform inconsistently in rural areas or places with weak 5G coverage. It has limited availability in some regions, particularly in rural or remote areas. So, T-Mobile Internet is a solid choice for anyone looking for a straightforward, budget-friendly home internet solution. It's especially great for urban users with access to T-Mobile's 5G network. However, if you live in a rural area or somewhere with limited 5G coverage, you may experience slower speeds, so be careful. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.